This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. So many things to love about this home. Open transitional floor plan with lots of natural light. Eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliance, granite, views of the fenced 1.33-acre yard. Spacious great room with propane fireplace. Seller have not used this feature since living there, and dining room plus a bonus space that's great for an office or playroom. Upstairs features primary bedroom with full bath, shower and walk-in closet plus 3 other bedrooms, another full baths and laundry room. 2 major updates are done for you. Sellers 2 years ago replaced the roof with a 30-year architectural shingle. They are in the process of having a new whole HVAC system installed. Come see for yourself why this home will be great for you. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.